Well, hey there, first grade. It is your friendly first grade phonics teacher, Mrs. Arvini. And we are going to go over some new snap words today. So grab your whiteboard, grab your marker, and let's get ready to go. All right, here we go. First word, let's read it together. This is the word last. Let's say it together. Last. All right, go ahead and study that word. I'm going to give you a few moments. You're welcome to pause. Here's what I notice. I notice that A makes its short sound, last. I also notice that there's a blend at the end, st, last. Okay? Let's spell it together. Let's use a whisper voice. L-A-S-T. All right, grab your camera, take a picture, and write it on your board. You can always pause if you need more time. Okay, let's bring it back. L-A-S-T. Double check that you spelled it the way I have it spelled. All right, and our last step is always to use it in a sentence. I will eat the last cookie. If you have time in your class, some of you may have sentences to share as well. You're welcome to pause the video and do that with your teacher and your classmates. Here's our next word, guys. Near. Let's read it together. Near. Now let's study it. Ear. I noticed the word ear here. This is just a word I happen to know. And I know if I put an N at the beginning, ear, and I crash that together, it's near. I also see a vowel team here. And usually when you see a vowel team, the first vowel says its name and the second vowel is silent. E. Near. What do you think? That one's a tricky one. Okay, but we do see that vowel team E-A. All right, let's spell it together. Let's do it in a mouse voice. Here we go. N-E-A-R. Grab your camera. Take a mental picture. Go ahead and write it. You can always pause if you need more time than I'm giving you. All right, let's check it. N-E-A-R. Good. Let's use it in a sentence. You can stand near me. Near means to be close by. Okay? If you want to do more sentences with your class, go ahead and pause and do that. If you are virtual and you have more sentences you want to share, you can pause and do that as well. Let's go to the next one. Need. Let's read it together. Need. Let's study it. Well, I see a vowel team. I see that EE vowel team. I see that vowel team in C, so that always helps me to remember that it sounds exactly the same as it would in C. Also that we know when we see a vowel team, usually the first vowel says its name, the second vowel is silent. That is the case here. Need. Excellent. All right, let's spell it together and let's do cheerleader. Give me an N. Give me an E. Give me an E. Give me a D. What's that spell? Need. All right, grab your camera. Take a mental picture. And write it on your whiteboard. Always pause if you need more time. All right, let's slide it back. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Let's double check. N-E-E-D. Make any changes you need to make. And then let's look at the sentence together. I need to go to the store. Need. Here's our next one. Next. Next. Let's read it together. Next. All right, go ahead and study it. You always can pause and talk about it as a class. All right, well, it has a short E in it. You hear that? We also see that X, which is not a word, a letter that we always see in words. It's pretty uncommon. And remember, an X makes the X sound. I always used to tell my boys and girls in kindergarten that X makes the sound that it makes when you open a can of soda. That kind of popping sound, as the bubbles escape. That's the sound X makes. Next. Good. All right. Now let's spell it together. And we will use loud voices. Now I'm in my house, so I am not going to yell too loudly, but you all can yell as loud as your teacher says you can. Or if you're at home, you make your own decision. But we'll do it in big voices. N, E, X, T. Great. Get out your camera. Take a picture. Beautiful. All right, go ahead and write that for me, please. Okay, let's check it. N-E-X-T. He is next in line. Good. All right, I think this is our last one. And we covered this word in phonics, so you should already know it. It's the word Ben. Let's read it together. Ben. Now let's study it. We've kind of already done that, right? So we see this EE vowel team, but this is one of those trickster words, one of these words that doesn't follow the rules. So instead of the first vowel saying its name and the second vowel being silent, we have to try it another way. This is not the word bean. It's the word Ben. So we have to say, okay, let's try the vowel the short way, since saying it the long way wasn't right. And so we say bin. Good. Let's spell it. We're just going to spell it in a regular voice. B-E-E-N. All right, take out your camera and take a mental picture. And let's put that on the side. Go ahead and write it. Just like always, pause if you need more time than I'm giving you. But you have 2 phonics videos today, and they're pretty long, so I want to move quickly. All right, let's check it. B-E-E-N. Very good. Let's use it. She has been gone for a long time. Been. Good. Oh, that was the last one. All right. I will add these to our first grade electronic snap word wall, and then your teachers can add them to your new snap word wall, your in-person snap word wall as well. And we will be using those snap words later this week to do some fun practice. All right. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I will see you guys on Friday.